Winter 2022. This is January. First hard snow that we had this year. See the wood covered up and everything right there, but need a bigger tarp. Check it out. Icicles hanging off. Cat paw tracks there. Sun came out. It's been snowing all night long. Sun came out. It's nice. We're gonna go around. Here's the temperature is about it's 31 right now. It was 20 some when I got up. So it's still freezing. That's got some ice in there. That's got some ice right there going around. Winter 2022. The sun is out. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? I don't know if I'm catching that right. I can't see the camera now. Look, coming out the chimney in the old cabin. In the house. It's falling off of here. We're back. Let's see what I got going on here. This way. Whew. That wind chill is what it is. That wind chill is what'll get you. Hey, look at this. I wasn't going to be out here in the yard long, so I put bags around my feet because I got thin rump shoes on. Look at that tree there. Oh my, it's nice. Looks pretty, but it's cold out here. I'm serious. It's cold out here. Everything's covered up. Well, this is weighting down right here. I almost wished them would break off right there, if nowhere else. Won't have to cut it this year. In the backyard. Let's unplug it now. Won't see the pet snake out today. Pet king snake. Looks like a rabbit came around through here. Most likely a cat. You'll be able to tell down this way there. Let's go down this way. Snow on the homestead. Rocky Mountain High. There's tracks right here. Two tracks. Hold on. A lot of busting my crack back there. That's nice, ain't it? I'm ready for spring though. Maybe it's killing some mosquitoes. If anything comes out of this, I hope it kills mosquitoes. Oh, the garden's took out now. Garden is took out. Okay. Again, right here in back of the property. Back of the property here. Checking out winter 2022. Like and subscribe to this channel if you would please. Wow. I'm done this right here. Just cause I wasn't gonna stay out here long. Squirrel nest to be honest. Squirrel nest. About to get inside. Gotta go back way up yonder. Oh, I know you can see my breath. It's cold out here. Let's go back this way. Okay, that was a short, well, not a short video, but chicken pens. Sunshine, that's pretty, ain't it? Sun out. Gotta get back and get warm. I don't have no gloves on or nothing. Like and subscribe to this channel. Love y'all. Stay warm. Stay safe. Like and subscribe. Thank you. And please like and subscribe like I said. And we'll see you in the next videos. Look at this. Check this out. Like and subscribe, please. Oh, please like and subscribe. It's either way. I'm just cold right now. No, thank you.